I like. I don't like. I like reading. I like music. I like shopping. We use like to say if things are good or nice. So we say, I like. You like. He likes. She likes. We like. They like. She likes cats. He likes cars. We use don't like to say things are bad or not good. Like for example, I don't like coffee. I don't like singing. I don't like rainy days. To ask questions with like, we use the verb do. Like for example, do you like dogs? Do you like Christmas? What do you like?